Ever wondered how machines work and what makes them so special? Well, you're not alone. Many of us marvel at these mechanical marvels, but the truth is, machines are much more than just awe-inspiring contraptions. They're an integral part of our everyday life, helping us in countless ways. From the simple lever to the complex computer, machines are everywhere. They're in our homes, our schools, our workplaces, and even in our pockets. They cook our meals, transport us, entertain us, and connect us to the world. They make the impossible possible, turning our wildest dreams into reality. But what's even more fascinating is how these machines work. The intricate details, the ingenious designs, the brilliant minds behind them. It's all a part of a grand adventure, a journey through the world of machines, full of twists and turns, surprises and discoveries. Are you ready to dive into the world of machines? Hold on to your seats. This is going to be a captivating ride. Imagine a machine that can take you from your home to school or anywhere you want. Yes, it's the automobile. Now let's dive in and see how this fantastic contraption works. At the heart of every automobile is the engine, a powerhouse that generates energy. It's like the automobile's very own superhero, using a process called combustion to create a big bang of energy. This energy is then transformed, like magic, into a force that makes the wheels rotate. But it's not just about the engine. There's also the transmission, which is like the brain of the car. It decides when to speed up or slow down, making sure we reach our destination at the perfect pace. Then there are the brakes, the car's superhero sidekicks, always there to keep us safe by making the car stop when we need it to. Isn't it amazing how a bunch of parts come together to take us on incredible journeys? Next up, a machine that keeps your ice cream from melting, the refrigerator. Now you might be wondering, how does this incredible contraption work? Well, let's break it down. The refrigerator is like a superhero, always on a mission to keep our food fresh and tasty. This superhero uses two sidekicks, the compressor and the coolant. The compressor is like the heart, pumping a special fluid called coolant around the fridge. Now, this coolant is a real chill character. As it travels, it absorbs all the heat from inside the fridge, making sure our food stays cool and safe. But the battle against heat doesn't end there. The compressor then squeezes the coolant, turning all that absorbed heat into a gas. This gas is then released outside the fridge, keeping the insides cool and the outsides warm. Who knew that a simple box in your kitchen could be such a cool superhero, right? And now, a machine that needs no introduction. The smartphone. This little device is like a magician's hat, pulling out endless tricks to amaze us all. Imagine, it's a tiny box, yet it holds a universe of possibilities. Let's start with the basics. How does a smartphone make calls? It's like sending a letter, but instead of paper and pen, it uses invisible waves that zoom through the air faster than a blink. And what about messages? It's the same idea, but instead of your voice, it's your words that get whisked away on these magical waves. But that's not all. A smartphone can transform itself into a gaming console, a movie theater, a library, and so much more. It's like a shapeshifter, adapting to your needs and wants. So next time you use your smartphone, remember the magic it holds. From talking to friends to playing games, it's incredible how much a small device can do. Wow, what a fascinating journey into the world of machines. We've traveled together through the universe of the most mind-blowing contraptions, haven't we? We started our adventure with the marvelous machines, then revved up the engines with the amazing automobile, chilled out with the fantastic fridge, and finally dialed into the future with the superb smartphone. Each of these machines has a unique story and a significant role in our lives, making our everyday tasks easier and more fun. But remember, these are just a few examples of the countless machines that surround us. There's a whole world of machines out there waiting for you to discover and understand. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Remember, every machine has a story to tell. So next time you see a machine, don't forget to appreciate its marvelous workings. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating adventures.